you lovely people and welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं मनीष और मैं लेके आया हूं आपके लिए सारी लेटेस्ट ताजी और सबसे फ्रेश खबरें from the world of Bollywood and social media. But before I kickstart the show, I want to remind you guys to check out the Zoom Facebook page for all the latest updates about your favorite stars. Now with that, let's kickstart the show.
शुरू हुई बिग बॉस के अपकमिंग सीजन की प्रेपरेशंस। अनिल कपूर ने एक एनर्जेटिक पोस्ट के साथ बिग बी को भेजी बेस्ट विशेस। ट्रेलर को मिले ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पॉन्सेस से खुश है फिल्म की स्टार कास्ट। सोशल मीडिया पर कंगना रनावत ने एक बार फिर शेयर किए अपने व्यूज। इस बार कौन है कंगना के निशाने पर? लॉकडाउन में कटरीना कैफ ने कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया अपना बर्थडे?
जब कोई भी चीज़ कंगना रनौत की होती है ना, तो बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत जगह प्रॉब्लम होती है।
कंगना रनावत की फिर छिड़ी है जंग अपने कॉलीग्स के साथ। This time she has not directly named anyone, लेकिन her team, which manages her social media handles, has taken a swipe at Swara Bhaskar.
Kangana Ranaut seems to have locked horns with Swara Bhaskar yet again, and this time over the fact that Swara has shown support to a female comic who has received threats of assault after the allegations of the female comic having mocked a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now Kangana's team shared a post on social media which clearly takes a jibe at Swara Bhaskar. Here's the story.
जब कोई भी चीज़ कंगना रनौत की होती है ना, तो बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत जगह प्रॉब्लम होती है।
Swara recently stood up for a female comic who was at the center of a major controversy after her remarks in an old video about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj offended a section of the Indian public. A man who had sent her an obscene video threatening her with assault was arrested after complaints were made to the authorities. लेकिन जहां many celebrities like Swara Bhaskar have come out in support of the comic and demanded justice while downplaying the controversy, Kangana Ranaut's team took to social media to express an alternative point of view and attacked the comedian on her allegedly offensive joke.
इस दुश्मनों के उनके गंदे इरादों में सफल नहीं होने दे सकते.
In a post shared on a microblogging site where they shared the video of a girl mocking the comic's original stand-up act, Kangana's team wrote, "जो दो कौड़ी के लुखे गवार good for nothing types martyrs का मजाक उड़ाकर attention seek करते हैं, it's not okay. Nobody should be allowed to mock martyrs. There should be a strict law against making fun of majoritarian faith and our national heroes." Without directly naming Swara Bhaskar or any other celebrity, Kangana's team seems to have taken a swipe at all those who have stood up for the female comic after she received threats from multiple people. But this is not the first time that Kangana's team has made comments related to religion and religious issues. Earlier, Kangana's sister Rangoli's microblogging account was blocked after she made controversial remarks that seemed to approve the mass murder of those following a particular minority religion.
कुछ लोग जो हैं जिनको I think कुछ लोग हैं जो obviously हेड़ा बन के पेड़ा खाते हैं और खुद भी मेंटल बन के रहते हैं, दूसरों को भी मेंटल, सो वो सब एक अलग पूरा ज्योमेट्री है वो इंडस्ट्री का. So I don't want to get into that.
Kangana's team, who is active on social media and often comments on news events and current affairs in the country, recently shared multiple reactionary videos to the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput, where they charged Bollywood's movie mafia with the actor's tragic passing and even spoke up against the Chinese aggression at our borders while welcoming the ban on Chinese apps in the country.
तो हमें प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं कि हम आत्मनिर्भर बनेंगे और चाइनीज गुड्स को बिल्कुल बॉयकॉट करेंगे और इस युद्ध में हिस्सा लेके भारत को जिताएंगे. जय हिंद.
While everyday social media battles with celebrities and wars of words are quite common, one hopes that when it comes to the safety and dignity of a woman, female celebrities can find it within themselves to stand united against the abuser and support the female victim, no matter what the difference in opinion. Anil Kapoor has found the perfect way to cheer up Amitabh Bachchan and his son, actor Abhishek Bachchan, who tested positive for the pandemic-related virus and who have been admitted to a local hospital in Mumbai in their isolation ward. Amit ji and Abhishek के positive test के बाद Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Aradhya Bachchan also tested positive but are in home quarantine since they are asymptomatic. Good wishes and messages have been pouring in from all around the world for the family, and there are reports of people organizing special prayers and rituals to ensure the safety of Amit ji and his family.
After testing positive, Amitabh Bachchan along with his son Abhishek have been admitted to a hospital in Mumbai. Now Amit ji has been sharing posts from the hospital as gratitude to all the people who have been sending out prayers and good wishes to him and his family. Recently, Amit ji put out another gratitude post, but this time thanking doctors and the medical staff for the care that they have been giving him and his son Abhishek while they're in the hospital. Now, while Amit ji and Abhishek might have to stay in the hospital for a little over a week to recover fully, Anil Kapoor recently shared a throwback video of Amit ji dancing lively on stage during a live performance, and this, we hope, might put a smile on Amit ji's face. Here's the story.
But it looks like Anil Kapoor has found an unusual and perfect way to wish Amit ji a speedy recovery and also bring a smile to his face. Anil ji shared an old throwback video of Amit ji and himself performing on stage at a live event. दोनों स्टार्स पूरे जोश में डांस कर रहे हैं और गा भी रहे हैं, grooving to the catchy beats of बच के रहना रे बाबा. Anil ji captioned this post, "I remember performing live in packed stadiums with Amitabh Bachchan. That love and energy is unmatchable. Praying for your speedy recovery and waiting to see you do what you love most again very soon. Taking a wonderful trip down memory lane and also motivating the Shehenshah to be back on his feet soon." Amit ji, who is expected to be in the hospital for at least a week, is said to be stable and responding well to treatment. The veteran actor, who has thanked all those who have flooded his heart with love and good wishes, shared a post on social media expressing gratitude towards the doctors, nurses, and medical professionals caring for those affected by the pandemic and likened them to heavenly angels. Amit ji shared a post on his social media page and wrote, "Pristine white their layered dress, dedicated to serve they be, God-like incarnations they, companions of the sufferer they, erased they their ego have, to us they have embraced in care, they be the divine destination, they fly the flags of humanity." He also included a picture of an angel statue to emphasize just how he views those who risk their lives every day to serve those in need. वाकई पैंडेमिक के खिलाफ जंग में डॉक्टर्स सोल्जर्स की तरह हमारे और वायरस के बीच खड़े हैं. They are no less than God to those who they serve and heal. It's been a month now since the wonderful Sushant Singh Rajput passed away and left an entire nation in shock and grief. Many of his close friends and family members shared posts on social media remembering the actor and the good times spent with him.
Well guys, it's been 1 month since the passing of the very talented Sushant Singh Rajput, and messages keep continuing to pouring in remembering the actor and his work. Now, after Rhea Chakrabarti, Mukesh Chhabra, Ankita Lokhande and Sanjana Sanghi, his Rabta co-star Kriti Sanon, his close friend Rohini Iyer and his sister Shweta all shared heartwarming posts marking the 1 month of his passing. Now, while fans are still grieving, it seems like they're not willing to let go of certain grievances and continue to troll people like Mahesh Bhatt, who recently put out a post which seemed to indirectly refer to the actor's passing. Here's the story.
मेरा क्या हाँ मैं कैसे चलाऊँ ना ये भी तो है भाई क्या करें हाँ तो उसने ऐसे किया तो मैंने ये किया उसने पकड़ लिया तो मैंने ऐसे किया उसके बाद फिर से डांटा.
Mukesh Chhabra, who last directed Sushant in the film Dil Bechara, his co-star Sanjana Sanghi, Rhea Chakrabarti, who was dating the actor before his demise, and Ankita Lokhande, who was his ex-girlfriend, all shared sentimental posts remembering the actor on the 1-month anniversary of his passing. Sushant's Rabta co-star Kriti Sanon also shared a cryptic post जो उनके दिल का हाल बयान करती है.
I had already this some Rabta with Rabta.
Kriti, who didn't refer directly to the fact that it's been a month since the actor had passed, chose instead to express her feelings with poetry and shared a post on her social media page that spoke volumes about her state of mind.
Or if you want him to just like you and not be like mean to you or whatever, is to give him chocolates and ice cream.
Chocolates, ice creams and bachchas.
Kriti, who was rumored to be dating Sushant at one point, wrote, and in between a guilty laughter that pretended to move on, her eyes shed tears of reality and broke all her delusions. Kriti was one of the few Bollywood celebrities to attend Sushant's last rites and had shared a post a few days after his passing that spoke about how heartbroken she was to hear that he had taken such a drastic step. Kriti के अलावा सुशांत के close friend Rohini Iyer also remembered the actor with a post that said, "1 month, it feels like forever." Rohini had also shared a long note when the news of the actor passing away became public and said that he was someone completely different from his colleagues in the industry. Sushant's sister Shweta, who has been sharing memories of the actor ever since his demise, took to social media as well to remember her beloved brother and shared a picture of the two of them with an emotional caption that said, "It has been a month since you left us, but your presence is still felt so strongly. Love you, bhai. Hope you always stay eternally happy." But while many responded positively to the post shared by Sushant's loved ones, Mahesh Bhatt, who has also posted a message on social media, was trolled by netizens who seem to be in an unforgiving mood when it comes to certain members of the film fraternity. Mr. Bhatt wrote a seemingly philosophical note on his social media page which said, "When the time comes to make a choice between empathy and apathy, it's often tempting to look away from another person's pain rather than make the effort to help. Let's face it, being kind is hard." This caption also accompanied with a picture of two children where one looks upset while the other is consoling him. Though he has not mentioned Sushant anywhere in his post, netizens and Sushant fans who have been critical of his comments on Sushant's mental health and his proximity to Rhea Chakrabarti attacked the director for his post and left angry replies like, "You nailed it. Truth cannot be hidden for long, exactly for this reason that Sushant Singh Rajput was doled out apathy when he required empathy. #Justice for Sushant Forum." It seems like even after a month, the grief is still fresh in the minds of his fans. And we hope that with time, people will remember the star with a smile and not anger or bitterness. Joining the list of celebrities who are celebrating their birthdays in lockdown is Katrina Kaif, who turns a year older but will celebrate at home with her lockdown partner, her sister, Isabel. Katrina, whose last film Bharat did great business at the box office, was awaiting the release of her next film Suryavanshi when the pandemic forced theatres to close just days before the film's release. The actor has been at home ever since and often shares videos and pictures from her lockdown diaries that feature her younger sister and aspiring actor Isabel, who's looking to make a foothold in Bollywood.
Well guys, it is Katrina Kaif's birthday and she turns 1 year younger. Katrina, here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and we hope that you have a fantastic time filled with lots of love, laughter, happiness, and most importantly, great health. Well, Katrina, who is currently in lockdown with her sister Isabella, who's been her partner in crime when it comes to cooking, cleaning, sweeping, swabbing, and selfies, we're really excited to see all the pictures and videos that you guys put out from your birthday celebration in lockdown. Nonetheless, Katrina, here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Here's the story.
Katrina, who has been trending during lockdown for her candid videos where she shared her secrets to doing dishes and even did a comparative review of different types of mops in a video that actually went completely viral, with many people sharing that they could relate to doing all the household chores during the lockdown. Katrina, who recently reached 40 million followers on a photo sharing app, was wished by many of her friends and colleagues from within the industry and her scores of fans from across the world. An amazing dancer, a fitness enthusiast, and a female role model who has truly come into her own over the years, battling many highs and lows. Katrina is perhaps in the best phase of her career now, getting recognized for her increasingly strong performances as an actor. The Bharat star, who revealed in a recent interview that she joined social media to share her life on her terms, keeping the posts on her page positive and cheerful, but admitted that like most people, she too faces her moments of self-doubt. Katrina, who has been at home during lockdown, shared a video recently using a new feature on a social media app where she and her sister are seen having a good time teasing each other and, of course, cleaning their home like many of us during these times. Katrina ki film Suryavanshi is now scheduled for a Diwali release, and we hope that after a long wait, the good-looking star can finally enjoy the success of a super hit film at the box office.
Can't believe so many of you have already cracked the maths puzzle. Sirf 2.5 घंटे हुए हैं and I've received so many messages, overwhelmed by the response. So I'm not waiting until 4 o'clock. We're going to share the trailer with you right now at 1:30 p.m. Watch out.
Is there a role that Vidya Balan can't do? The immensely talented actor who has created her own identity and space as an artist in the film industry is known to take up some of the most challenging roles written for women, is all set to sizzle as the genius mathematician Shakuntala Devi.
Shakuntala Devi, which is the biopic of one of India's most renowned mathematicians starring Vidya Balan, is all set to have an online release on the 31st of July this year. Now, the film was originally supposed to have a theatrical release, but owing to the pandemic and the lockdown, the release has been shifted to an OTT platform. The trailer of the film has just released, and I think it's safe to say that we have another Vidya Balan winner at hand. The supporting cast of the film includes Sania Malhotra, Amit Saad, and Jishu Sen Gupta, and they seem to be in fine form. Here's wishing the team all the very best.
Can't believe so many of you have already cracked the maths puzzle. Sirf 2.5 घंटे हुए हैं and I've received so many messages, overwhelmed by the response.
The film will have an OTT premiere on July 31st since theaters remain closed due to the lockdown. लेकिन फिल्म का ट्रेलर आज रिलीज हुआ है and it's safe to say we are blown away by Vidya's talent. Vidya has been in a biopic before and played Silk in The Dirty Picture.
सोने पे सुहागा. एक से मेरा क्या होता? No, but really, it's been fantastic.
Which was based on the life of the actor Silk Smita, who used to perform sensuous dance numbers in films in the 80s.
इसीलिए हमें इनसे मोहब्बत है और इनसे नफरत.
This time she's all set to ace mathematician Shakuntala Devi, who is better known as the human computer because of her amazing ability at solving math problems.
तो देखिए और हम आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं आपके प्यार के लिए, आपकी सहायता के लिए. ढेर सारा.
The trailer traces Shakuntala Devi's journey from being a child genius to her middle age, where she is seen to have a troubled relationship with her daughter. The movie seems to have a light-hearted take on the mathematician's life while bringing in moments of drama, pathos, and anger as she journeys through many ups and downs in life. Sees Vidya bring her trademark comic timing and excellent emotive skills to the fore as she portrays the many emotions and challenges faced by someone almost inhumanly talented trying to balance normal human relationships and emotions.
So, आप में से कई सारे लोगों ने शकुंतला देवी का ट्रेलर पहले ही देख लिया है, जिन ने वो इक्वेशन सॉल्व किया, और my DM is flooded with so much love. and I'm so happy and grateful. तो हमने decide किया है कि अब trailer 4 बजे नहीं.
Sania Malhotra, who plays Vidya's daughter in the film, also seems to have given a powerful performance as a daughter, struggling to understand her exceptionally talented mother, while Amit Saad plays Sania's husband.
All the love and feedback.
Jishu Sen-Gupta plays Vidya's husband, जिनके साथ शायद उनका estranged relationship दिखाया गया है. Directed by Anu Menon, this film promises to be an emotional roller coaster with plenty of humor and some amazing moments of mathematical genius.
Can't believe so many of you have already cracked the maths puzzle. सिर्फ 2.5 घंटे हुए हैं and I've received so many messages, overwhelmed by the response. So I'm not waiting until 4 o'clock. We're going to share the trailer with you right now at 1:30 p.m. Watch out.
Looks like a formula for a huge success. We are eagerly looking forward to seeing this movie on the 31st of this month, and here's wishing the entire team all the very best of luck for the film.
चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back.
Salman Khan may have been in lockdown in his home in Panvel, but it looks like the star is all set to watch a group of celebrities enter into a reality show created lockdown as he gets ready to host a popular show that he has been associated with for almost a decade now. According to some reports, filming of the show may start in September, and there are already rumors circulating about who the contestants might be this time.
Well guys, Salman Khan seems to be all set to start hosting a reality show which he has been hosting for many seasons now, which sees celebrities locked up in a house, which leads to explosive reactions.
Salman, who is known for his sense of humor and also for the way he pulls up those who misbehave inside the home, has become almost synonymous with the popular reality show where celebrities and even common people in a couple of seasons enter a home where they have to spend almost 80 days together without access to their phones, television, newspaper, or any contact with the outside world. Several popular TV and movie stars have participated in the show. It also remains a popular platform for actors to come and promote their upcoming films, given how popular it is amongst people all across India. सुनने में आया है कि इस साल टीवी एक्टर्स निया शर्मा, विवियन देसना और आद्यन सुमन are amongst those who may get a बुलावा to the home, which has witnessed plenty of drama over the years. वैसे आद्यन सुमन ने अपने ऑफिशियल पोस्ट में बिग बॉस में शामिल होने की न्यूज से इनकार करते हुए कहा है, फॉल्स न्यूज ऑफ मी बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ बिग बॉस, थैंक्स बट नो थैंक्स, डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल टू से द लीस्ट. वहीं जब एक फैन ने आद्यन से गुजारिश की टू नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द शो, ही इवन सेड दैट इवन इफ इट वाज द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आई वुड नॉट गो देयर, डोंट वरी, दैट्स नॉट माय करियर गोल. Salman, who has been busy during this lockdown, shooting music videos, working out, and even indulging in some farming, seems ready to start work again after a long forced break from the sets and lights. We also heard recently that an entire floor of a studio in Mumbai may be booked for him to complete shooting for his film Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai, जिसकी release delay हो गई थी. All this sounds like great news for the big boss of Bollywood, who after a long sabbatical is all set to be the Sultan of swag yet again. Let's hope जल्द ही कोई official announcements आ जाए, so we have something entertaining to look forward to. After reports a few days ago that a security guard at veteran actor Rekha's bungalow had tested positive for the pandemic-related virus, 4 others who work as watchmen in nearby bungalows have tested positive for the virus and shifted to a nearby quarantine facility. But according to multiple unconfirmed reports, Rekha ji, whose bungalow has been sealed by the BMC, has refused to allow officials into her home. There is no confirmation yet about whether the actor has taken the test after a watchman and 2 of her staff members tested positive.
In spite of the fact that one of her security guards and 2 of her staff members have tested positive for the pandemic-related virus, Rekha Ji has not allowed her test to be done by the BMC or even allow the BMC to enter her property to sanitize the place. Now we will bring you all the latest on this story, but Zoya Akhtar, whose building is right next to Rekha Ji's bungalow in Bandra, has also been declared a containment zone owing to its location. Here's the story.
The 4 watchmen who have tested positive apparently work in a bungalow close to Rekha Ji's home and have been shifted to a BMC facility for recovery. इसके अलावा 9 others who may be high risk contacts को भी टेस्ट किए गए हैं और उनके रिपोर्ट्स awaited है. The BMC has sealed her bungalow and declared it a containment zone. Lekin there is still no confirmation about whether Rekha Ji has taken the test herself. Though she has been living in home isolation over the past few weeks, sources say कि रेखा जी ने BMC officials को उनके बंगलों में enter करने से मना कर दिया and has refused to let them take her test. She has also allegedly refused to let a team that had arrived to sanitize her bungalow enter her property. Reports के मुताबिक जब BMC के officials रेखा जी के बंगलो पे पहुंचे, they interacted with her manager Farzana, who shared her contact number and said that they would need to contact her before carrying out any procedures. लेकिन जब BMC officials ने उन्हें contact किया, they were allegedly told that Rekha Ji is not willing to get tested since her health is fine and she had not come in contact with any of those who had tested positive. There were reports earlier that the actor had said she would get herself tested independently. रेखा के बंगलों के बगल में जोया अख्तर का घर है, जिसको अब कंटेनमेंट जोन डिक्लेयर किया गया है. While there are no official confirmations about tests conducted on the Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara director or her staff, sources का कहना है that since it is right next door to Rekha's bungalow, Zoya's home was declared a containment zone as a precautionary measure after 3 members from Rekha Ji's staff, including a security guard, tested positive. We do hope Rekha Ji और उनकी टीम अपना ख्याल रखेगी and given the seriousness of the pandemic, authorities को support करें to contain the spread of the virus.
And with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood, but we will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media, and your favorite stars. Speaking of your favorite stars, if you want to track everything that's happening in their lives in real time, don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.